Hello guys, my name is Royston Alvares and I'm from E2E mentorship program. And in this video, I'll be teaching you about some of the basic DOM manipulation concepts. Let's get started. What is the meaning of DOM? DOM stands for Document Object Model. It's a programming interface for web documents. When a web page is loaded into a browser, the browser creates a model of the web page in the memory. This model, the DOM, is a tree-like structure where each node represents a part of the document, such as you can say the elements like body or p tag, div tag, and some other tags. Mainly, this will help us to change or alter some data from the web page without using the HTML document. We use the JavaScript to do all these alterations. Now, let me show you some of the basic DOM operations that we can perform on a web page. So here, if you see, I've opened my VS Code and I've created two files. One is the HTML file where I've given the title as basic DOM, and the heading that will be displayed in the web page will be basic DOM manipulation. And here there is one more file, that is the JavaScript file, which is blank as of now. So let's add something to our HTML page first. Let me give some gap after the heading. Let's just create a button in the beginning. You can say like click here. Okay, so when we click that button, something should happen. Now let's, okay, not in JavaScript. We'll create one more, maybe a h3 tag, and we'll put some text here. Okay, I'll just put some text. So, and let's give this tag ID message. Okay, so this ID name is message. All right. So now let's try to change that some text to something meaningful when we click the button. How to start? So first we'll create a function. We can call it change text. Okay. So now, how will you access that some text message on the click of that button? There is a method called document dot get element by ID. So what it does is it will try to access the element by the ID name. So if you see here, it is expecting some ID value. What is the ID name that we have given here? Message. We can copy that ID name and paste it here. Now, this document.get element by ID message is now accessing this x3 tag with the ID name message. So now we can change the content of this h3 tag by using dot inner HTML equal to here we can display some message and say hello, welcome to my web page. Okay. Now, we have created a function. Okay, let me just get this below. All right. So now we have created a function called change text, and we have also put document.get element by ID dot inner HTML equal to hello, welcome to my page. So now on the click of this button, we need to instead of some text, we need to display hello, welcome to my page. So now let's see how this looks. All right. So if you see this page that I designed earlier, I've put a h1 tag with the basic DOM manipulation as the content. Then I've created a button, click here, and then one more tag with h3 where I've displayed some text. So now on the click of this button, this some text should change to hello, welcome to my web page. So let's give it a try. So if you see now, it's not getting changed. So what is the reason for this? So I've created a function, but I'm not calling it anywhere. Okay, so we need to call that function somewhere. So here inside this button, there is one property called on click. Okay, so on click, and here we can call that function. Now, if we try to click here, it's still not changing. All right. Okay, so I forgot to link this JavaScript page to the HTML document, which is a very important part. So let's link the page. So always you can link this external JS file using the script tag. I think you should all be knowing this by now. Source equal to action.js. All right. I think now the page should work fine. There you go. So hello, welcome to my web page. Okay, so this was one of the basic DOM manipulation where you can click a button and change the text in the web page. So if you reload the page, it will go back to some text. And if you click it again, welcome to my page. All right. So this was about creating a function and changing the content, text content of the h3 tag using get element by id. All right. So let's discuss some more examples. Let me just give some space here. I'm gonna create a new button. Okay, we can call it alert. So we're gonna use this button to display some alert in the page. Okay, so let's create a function and call it show alert. Right? Okay, so then we can use a method called alert, and inside that method we can use some text. So we can display maybe hi. This is a alert message. Okay, so let's give it a try. Okay, I just forgot. We need to call the function here. So on click, show alert. Okay, now let's see. So here you can see, hi, this is the alert message. Okay, so if you click on this button, you're gonna get that alert message over there. All right. You can also store the message in a variable if you want. So let's say const message equal to this is alert message. Okay. And instead of giving the message directly, we'll just put that variable name here, message. Okay. So still working. This is a alert message. So that's how you can show a alert message by clicking the button. All right. Let's see something else. Okay. So let's try to print the page on the click of the button. Okay. So let me create one more button here. Button with the name print this page. Now, if you click on this button, you'll have to print that particular page. So now let's create one more function. We'll call it print page. Okay. So you don't have to do anything much here. You just have to put the function name print with the brackets, and that's it. So this function will allow you to print that particular page which you are on. So if I put, okay, we have to put conflict here and call the function print page. So if I click on this, let's see, it's gonna give me the entire page content in a page, and I'll be able to print this. So you can select printer if you want. If I save this, it will save it as a PDF file as of now. But that's not important. The important part is you can, if you put this button with the print function, it will give you the content of the entire page in a printable form. So let me click on cancel. All right. So this was some of the basic DOM manipulation. Thank you for watching. If you have any feedback or comments, feel free to put them in the comment section of this video. So thank you guys. Until next time, ciao.